starts with a look, all that it took. I feel like I had too much champagne. It starts with a touch, I'm lost in the rush. Boy, you're like bubbles in my brain. You're under my skin, I'm drinking you in like I can't get enough champagne.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, I'm Nikki and I'm doing a lot of sewing tutorials, DIYs, and fashion videos on this channel. And today we are going to be recreating an outfit from JENNIE of Blackpink. And she posted this picture of her outfit on her Instagram account a few weeks ago. And as a certified bling, I tried to recreate her outfit. And if you're interested to know how I recreated the top, then just keep on watching. So this is the pattern that I made for this cowl neck top, and I'm gonna put it down on the description box below for your reference. So for this DIY, I'm using a half-yard charmeuse silk fabric. So to start, I'm folding my fabric on the bias. And then I'm transferring the pattern on my fabric, starting with drawing a 46 by 38 cm rectangle. And to note, the cowl neck part of these bodies will lie on the fold of the fabric. And then after transferring the pattern, I'm just cutting on the markings that I made. And after the bodies, I'm creating 6 pieces of the strap pattern that I made.
And I'm just folding the strap right sides together and pinning that to secure in place. And I'm sewing this using my regular sewing machine. And after sewing, I just turn the strap inside out and top stitch that for a crisper look. And with the bodies right sides together, I'm just inserting the strap on the upper part and 4 straps on the side part of the bodies. And here, notice that I'm inserting the strap at a 45-degree angle. And after pinning, I'm sewing the sides of the bodies to secure the straps in place. And we're almost done with our DIY, and to finish that, I'm just turning the fabric inside out and then hem the bottom part of the bodies. And that's it, we're finished with our DIY. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on how to recreate Jennie Kim's cowl neck outfit. Don't forget to like, comment, and click the notification bell to get updated on my next video. Bye everyone!